Evet. And this is green one. The other nuts, you need to look at it and taste it, you know.
Baklava fıstığından yapılıyor. Çok güzel olur.
Wow. Wow, guys. One after the other, it tastes much better. Oh my god, I should keep doing that. There's a green nut, and that one is. Bu ne abla?
Bu badem.
Wow. This is like what they put in ice cream, in the quality ice cream, you know.
Bal, badem.
Bu sadece çekiliyor mu? Bu hiç ezme falan.
Dövülüyor.
Ne?
Odun ateşinde döve.
On under the wood, these all made. Hepsi de mi böyle?
Hepsi de aynı.
Under the wood
Yapmışlar,
fire,
Instagram'da var.
on the wood fire, when as it's getting hotter, they başına and I take the natural of it, you know. Kaç kiloda çıkıyordu 1 kilo?
8 kilodan 1 kilo çıkar.
Every 8 kilo, you can make 1 kilo of it. All of this.
Tabii. Bunlar fuar fiyatı. Normalde çok pahalı.
This is for the fair. It's so cheap. 130 lira, 320. That's the most expensive one. 320 was that. About 14 pounds, about 15 euro.
Bu taraf aynısı.
Don't miss this bit. Where is this bit? Right next to McDonald's, like that. And when we go down there, there's a statue. Mostly when you come with the minibus, yeah, or you jump in taxi. If you tell them you want to go to fair, you want to go to water fountain, they will bring you just right here. The way is there, just right in front of me is where's the sea and the statue, right? I'm just right here. Is a like summer fair, Ramadan fair it is actually, because of Ramadan. It's open whole month, 1 month is Ramadan. And this is from Hatay.
Evet. Tepsi kebabı.
Tepsi kebab. We call it like frying pan kebab. The paper
Zırhla
kebab.
yapılıyor.
It's not diced minced with the machine, minced meat, but it's cut with the special saw. Var mı sende zırh burada hiç?
Şu anda biçim vallahi ya.
Zırh.
Ha zırhma zırh.
I'm gonna show like they cut the meat with that for a while till they get like in this. Omuzum çıktı abim geçen gün ya.
Ha geçmiş olsun.
My shoulder still hurt. Yeah, that's what they cut in the meat with. Okay, so this is the knife.
Çekelim ya. Koy hadi geç.
Large. Like that. Meat. 100% lamb. Kuzum bu ne?
Kuzu et.
Lamb. Kebab.
Lan fish.
They will be here helping you. Kaç para bu?
120 lira durumu.
120 lira, which is about 5.5 pounds, about 6 euro. And this is, of course, it's a soup if you want. There's a lentil soup, and this is, you need to have a Gaziantep çiğ köfte, we call it. If you know the çiğ köfte, acı mı?
Az acılı.
Just a little hot, but if you want a little chili, they can do the chili as well, really hot as well. And there is a like on the side is a lahmacun. Do you know what's lahmacun? Much before the pizza, it was a lahmacun, you know. Very thin slice based, you know, like pizza, and has minced meat with different herbs and spice, and they have a like miniature one as well. So this has something as a topping on it. Ne vardı içinde bunun?
Peynir ve 12 çeşit baharat da yapıyor.
It's 12 different herbs and a white cheese, but specifically from Hatay. And next to it is for
Mantıklı ekmek.
breakfast. Kaç tane bunda baharat?
12 çeşit baharat.
And this has 12 different kind of spice and herbs inside it, and it's just for breakfast. You can try here the dessert as a. Bu tatlı mı abi?
Bu Erzurum kadayıf dolması tatlı.
Oh my god, that is like a, you will get a food orgasm here.
Cevizli.
Food orgasm, seriously. This is with the hazelnut in the middle and a wrapped very thin base of
Very good man.
what we call kadayıf, I don't know what to call it, you know. And in the sweet water, you can afford dessert. Stuffing. the
Orası
grapes
Gaziantep
leaves,
balcan dolması, biber dolması, yaprak sarması.
pepper stuffing, aubergine,
Bu da
and grapes, wines. We're going one by one. Yes,
İçli köfte.
Ha, hayır,
içli
konuşması
köfte.
yok.
Bir de burada
This
sıcak ediyor.
is, you must try it definitely when you come here. You know, this is like rolled, and in the middle is a minced meat with different spice and herbs. You can have it as a starter, or you can have it with your meal. That is, you're gonna love it. Kaç para bu?
20 lira.
Only 20 lira. How much is it, you know? It's about 80p. 80p or 90p in euro, you know? Well, not even £1. Not even €1. For one. Bir tanesi değil mi?
Evet.
For single, £1 for one. You know?
Ayran çek.
Is it, and
Ayran çek.
iron good.
Köfteci ayran.
It is just right in front of the next to McDonald's, and I showed you, where is it? That way there's a fountain, sorry, statue. From the statue you come over here, just right here. I show you so you know. There's the LC Waikiki next to it, and you walk just from through there, and just in front of the McDonald's get in, and there's a food corner just where is the fair is. If you want to try something different, and if you want to get a little bit culture stuff, you can come in and try all this anytime you want. So here, all this food corner I've been showing you tonight, they come from Hatay, Erzurum, and Antep, where the earthquake was happened, you know. So I want to put this in mind as well. They're coming all the way from the earthquake areas actually here, and they're gonna be here all around here, down here, for a whole 1 month till like beginning of the May. I showed you where it is. I'm gonna show you some more tomorrow. I want to just finish it today with the food corner here. If you're around here, just jump in a minibus or jump in a taxi and tell them to go down the fair here, down the fountain, or next to statue. You will be able to find here, alright? Subscribe to the channel if you didn't subscribe yet. Put the comments down below. What's your favorite food in Turkey? Turkish local favorite food. Which one is it? Can you let me know down below? My shoulder hurt, guys. Sorry. This is the inside the minibus. I like to show you when you come to Marmaris. Minibus mostly like this. The dolmuşes minibuses only 50p. I've been at Sitara at the Ideal Premium when I'm working, and jump in a bus. Takes about 5 minutes to down the harbor, and just right down the harbor. Müsait bir yerde değil mi abi? Say müsait bir yerde, or just stop wherever you want to get off. This is just the one way you can come to the harbor, and when you come to harbor, get off here. It's a Fredonia cup. If you like coffee, like Starbucks kind of coffee, when you come Marmaris, there is 3 Fredonia cup. One here, one down the marina, and one on the beachfront. Find this place. You will love to have a coffee here, and they have a like Starbucks kind of, but Turkish style things. I will give you a show afterwards. Where I'm gonna bring you. This is the fair here. It's crossroads. Just watch out. And guys, when you come to Turkey, don't think they will stop for you on zebra cross, okay? They have to normally, like for example, look, we walk. One guy stopped actually. If you're lucky, don't just jump in front, okay? Wait for till the car stops. I showed you yesterday a bit of this fair, but this fair is huge, you know. Every day is something will be added on. Like yesterday, this wasn't here. Today, they have like fun fair kind of things coming soon as well. Like there's one here, so it will be a couple of more. I showed you the all healthy stuff. It's everywhere. It's like traditional stuff. This pamuk pişmaniye. Do you know what is this? This store does candy floss. Guys, candy floss. You haven't. It's different. This candy floss, you're gonna love it. He's just setting up proper real candy floss is gonna be in here. Okay. So do you know what is this, guys? This is candy floss, but not like just made with the sugar. It is flour, sugar, and oil mixed together, cooked for a long time. A single piece after single piece is made this 180,000 piece in just one finger when you hold it, you know. You must get this stuff if you like, if you have a sugar like sweet tooth, definitely, you know. It's a different one, like a soft one, and there's a hard one. They hard press that stuff, halwa we call it, and there's a different ones. What is that? The Antep fıstık with pistachio, with the chocolate and the vanilla, and here is cream, rose, plain, or pistachio. Guys, they have a different, lots of different one run here. Just when you entry to the fair here, and every day something new coming. Something new coming around here. I showed you yesterday that side. I'm gonna go to a little bit inward. It's huge. It's all around the fountain down the Marmaris. If you're coming like next couple of weeks, here will be open for till end of April, even I think May, till beginning of May. This will be around here, and every day something else coming on here. What I want to bring you today, I want to bring you the food corner. You should definitely visit here. What they do here, traditional Turkish foods all around Turkey. This first one look like a doner kebab. How can I go close? I'll show you. It's called char kebab. Instead of standing up the meat, you lying down in the charcoal, and then you cut it all off. So this is from the other side of Turkey, from Erzurum, and it's called char kebab, made from the lamb. And when you come inside, it's all the barbecue style, you know. You have all the kebabs. And this is what come out from Erzurum, from the north of Turkey. Each piece is from something else. Abi kolay gelsin. Bu nedir? So guys, what is this? This all around from Turkey. That's like a char kebab, but when in grill, like it's just fried in version of it with rice comes, and it's only £4. And this is bu abi bunun pilav mı? Neyle oluyor? İçinde.
O da pilav üstü yapıyoruz. Porsiyon yapıyoruz, dürüm yapıyoruz.
Kaç para? 100 lira bu da.
Dürüm 100 lira.
You can get wrapped, only handle £4, or if you have in service with rice, it's about 200 lira, about £8.5, about €9. And this is intestines of the lamb, and are filled with the rice and boiled for hours. It's been cleaned, of course, first. They clean like properly. If you like a bazaar food of Turkey, there's a street food of Turkey. Let's see how they're gonna do it. They're gonna get very big. This is fried. Onion goes in it. If you don't like it, you can tell. But onion has a couple of different spices inside it. Just rolled like this. 100% natural lamb.